Hey guys, welcome back. I have not uploaded a video in a while because I have been sick and I am still sick. So apologies in advance for the gravelly, blocked up voice. I've had a cold that's really kicked my bum. Anyway, I've not put on makeup for ages. And today I fancied making myself feel a little bit better, putting on a face, and I thought, what's better than a unicorn kind of smoky eye? Nothing. So if you want to know how I did this really pretty metallic-y fun kind of unicorn rainbow smoky eye, then keep watching. So I'm going to start off with the blending brush. I'm one of my all-time favourite shades, Gingerly, and fluff that kind of in my socket, crease, outer V, all over, and keep blending. And I'm going to pop a little bit underneath my lower lash line as well, constantly blending, as always. Love this shade. Then I'm going to go in with the fluffy crease brush and a nice matte kind of medium brown shade. This is called Gullible, and I'm putting it basically in the same place as Gingerly, in the crease, outer V, lower lash line. Then I'm going to go in for one of my favourites, Addiction eyeshadow palette number 5. These eyeshadows are so pigmented and seriously insanely metallic. They are stunning, absolutely stunning. So I'm starting off with Fearless, which is this beautiful, rich kind of purpley metallic jewel tone, and the fluffy crease brush, and I'm popping that crease underneath my lower lash line, outer V, really packing it on. Then I'm taking the shade end of the liner shader brush and this amazing shade Sarcastic. It's kind of a reddy pinky metallic. I'm popping that next to it, packing it on the lid up to the crease. Then I'm going in with Vintage, which has more of an orangey tone. Stunning shade. Popping that next to it. Then Suspicious, one of my favourite shades in the palette. It's almost rose gold. It's so pretty. Popping a little bit with the same brush, just the same brush all the time next to that. Then going in with Vindictive. It's a really rich kind of true gold colour next to that. And then finally, Inner Corner, literally the most pigmented silver I've ever used. It's called Brilliant. Pop that right into the inner corner. Then I'm picking up a few of the other shades again just to really press and pack those on, and then popping some of Sarcastic underneath the lower lash line just to kind of tie everything in together, and a bit of Brilliant in the inner corner. Now I'm taking my precision pencil in black just to kind of smoke out that upper and lower lash line just a little bit, just a little smudge of that. Taking my MAC eyelash curlers and just curling my lashes as always. Going in with waterproof mascara. This is Waterproof Epic, my favourite. Just going to give my eyelashes a good couple of coats of that. Then I just went back in with Gingerly again and the fluffy crease brush just to make sure that everything was beautifully blended together and nice and soft and mixed well. In a corner, I decided to use my glitter liquid liner. This is a white gold shade, so I kind of lined the upper and lower lash line in that inner corner around my tear duct just to really open up and brighten the look up a bit. Love this liner. It's so sparkly. So I just popped some there. Love it. And then for lips, I kept it nice and nude and natural with the shade Upscale and our Opulence lipstick. Clearly, I need to get myself a new one or use a lip brush, but I just popped some on with my finger. So there you go. Thank you so much. If you've watched this video and stuck with my awful, annoying, gravelly voice, then thank you. I appreciate that. I hope you like this look. It's kind of fun, right? I definitely find that whatever eye look I do, if I start off with a caramel shade or a tan or a taupe or something like that in the crease beforehand, it just helps everything else apply so much quicker and easier. Like if my eyeshadows have got something to blend into, then I find I get the job done so much better. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this, then give it a thumbs up, and hopefully next time I see you, I'll be back to normal. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll speak to you soon. Take care, guys.